side again. So yeah, today's video, not much talking, just pure raw sounds. ZX9R settings. Come on. Sending it. Never get bored of this. I love the sound of this, man, but I actually prefer the sound of my 7. My ZX9R sounded like one of them old school RS Turbo Fiestas or Escort. It's crazy. Could have at least put your signal on, you prick. Let's wind her up a little bit. Let's wind her up a bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And drop the box, drop the box. This thing is evil, man. And you ain't even got a red line. She's evil. bikes are out. Them outside. I just hate when they're just hogging up the overtaking lane. Like, just move out the way, man. Flip it up. Straight up to the front. Whee! I'm gonna put that on here. What's the matter, mate? You broke down? Broke down? You broken down? What's the matter? Oh shit. So you know what's wrong with it? Okay, and you got a fuel gauge on that either? Anything I can do to help? Anything I can do to help? Anything I can do to help? You sure? No problem. What is that anyway? A 750? Where you off to anyway? Oh, alright, cool. Say no more. Yeah, man. Just checking what I go on for him, man, because yeah, you know when you break down on a bike, it's a bit mad still. Do you know what I mean? So he's got someone helping him anyway. I don't know what I could have done anyway. You know, if it was a flat battery and it needed a bit of a push, man could have dealt with that still. But yeah, bikes are outside, man. Day today. But anyway, guys, that's the end of that little bit of a sound check. Make sure you share, comment, like, subscribe. We are out.